Yeah.
You motherfucking bitch!
I'm not lying to you.
Shut up, bitch! Mommy?
Yes, it is.
No, it's take a fucking nap. It's it. Hey, what the fuck?
He wants you to pet him.
Fucking warm.
Damn. Did you get it?
Yep, it's time for bed, Becky.
You're tired.
Oh, a stick.
It's a big dick. Shit. Holy shit!
What?
I see. Holy shit!
No, you see.
Bitch.
Say one.